Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Sccm. Accidentally I clicked upgrade my Sccm to 1810, but I can show you when you open the Sccm, you need to come to click here, administration, then click on updates and servicing. Once you're here, then you right click and download. Once it click download, it goes and start downloading the files from internet. Once it finishes, it will say it's ready to install. So once it shows it's ready to install, all you can need to do is right click and install update pack. Then that's once you click install update pack, the wizard will show up. Then you need to follow up the wizard. I have provided the screenshots which I captured earlier. You can follow my site and check those wizard step by step, and the options you need to check mark or not to check mark. Just follow that inside, and once you finish the wizard, then all you need to do is to click on here back, and you'll see here show status. Oh, actually, mine is, I think, is recently upgraded to new version. But anyways, check my screenshots. The screenshots of the upgrade I captured earlier. It shows all step by steps with details on my website. I'll provide a link below on this video. So if you have any question, please post. I'll make sure next time I will capture from the beginning. Actually, let me show you how it looks when the upgrade completes. So let's click OK. It's downloading the files and will install the new console. We'll just wait. I'll move forward faster. I'll pause it and come back. Here it shows it's installing the console. Okay, the setup is finished recently, so it's opening the console. Let's see what's the new version looks. Okay, so let's check it out. Here you go, version 1810. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and click on updates and servicing. Here you go, it's installed. So everything looks fine. Okay, guys. Let's see what we got here and if any features. These are the feature listed for all the major release, but we can see all the features here. Yep. So let me go back to the status. Let's see, is there any issue with it? Show status. Right click. Okay, replication and installation, post installation. Not started yet. Okay, it's on turn on features. Please reopen again. Okay, updating content folder. Updating content folder use working measure. Check h1.log. Okay, so everything looks fine. We're good to go. Okay, guys. So I hope you get some details useful from this video. Please check my website for any. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, please post on the video comments area. Thank you.